Hi guys, how you doing? JTest ASMR here. Now I'm just going to give you a little preview of what I'm eating tonight because it's only 20 to 8, so I'm sure we're going to get noise of some sort from them or outside. So before that happens, I want to show you what I got tonight. Now basically this is, now these are chips that I've covered in garlic salt and I'll see if it's explained what I've got with it actually. Now this is cod loin. Now this is what I've done is I've wrapped this in foil. I put butter on it. I put garlic salt on it, and I put mild curry powder on it. So after about like 25 minutes, it cooked. It had this really nice sauce, and that's basically what I've marinated my chips in. So the sauce from the fish, obviously it's gone over the fish, but it's gone into the micro chips as well. But that's basically my cod loin, and it's squish it. It is absolutely amazing, and like I said, that's what I've dipped my sauce in. As you can see, the chips are leaking. So yeah, that's a big bit there. Cool, you see the steam coming off it. But it is, in one word, amazing. The cod is fresh. Well, I say fresh, I got it from a supermarket, but it was on the fresh section. Yeah. Do any of you guys like cod? Tuna's my favourite, I must admit. But tuna is so expensive these days, it's absolutely crazy. Okay, anyway, I can hear noises are about to start, so I'm going to leave it there, guys. I hope you like what I'm eating. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you like cod or not. Some people like it, some people say, oh, nah, thanks, you're alright. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to be back with a new video soon. Just recovering from a bit of the flu at the moment, so I'm getting there. I'll be okay later. So yeah, thanks for clicking on this video and have a little view of what I'm having tonight. And I don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe because I need subscribers. Come on. I know 338. It's been 3 years. Come on. Sub. And I will see you soon with a new video. Ciao for now.